YouTube world, I got a oh my god. This isn't working out. I got a request. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I got a request from one of my friends to do more YouTube videos with my cat. Come on here. Oh my god. This isn't working. I got a YouTube request. Hold on, maybe this will work. Lucy. That with eating with cats is going to be, yeah! I got it! With eating with cats is like very, here you go. Is very, tricky. Right now, she's not doing nothing. Usually she's all over my face. Well, not really, but she's usually all over my food. Come on! Maybe if I go down lower. Nope. Oh, come on. Ah! Okay. Why aren't you... Come on. Eat cookie. Okay, probably people out there. Probably people out there like, ew, gross. You know what? I don't care. It's my life. You're not cooperating with me.